Legal.
Hold up.
Let's unbox Keychron K2 mechanical keyboard.
I like how they packed it. I got this from Shopee. Check description box for the price. It is an affordable premium keyboard that you might be missing in your life.
You have to add to cart it now.
You will not regret it. I promise.
Excellent packaging.
If you are watching this, it's a sign to buy now. Shop till you drop. Keychron K2 is a 75% layout tactile wireless mechanical keyboard. Compatible with all operating systems from Mac to Android to Windows. K2 is one of the few mechanical keyboard featuring Mac layout media keys. It allows you to use all the same media keys as conventional MacOS. K2 is a super tactile wireless or wired keyboard.
Let's go.
Giving you all the keys and function you need while keeping it compact, with the largest battery seen in a mechanical keyboard. The K2 can be used with Bluetooth or with a cable. Connect with your phone, laptop or iPad.
Carefully unboxing it, LOL.
It has 18 types of RGB. I'm so happy I have this. The K2 can last up to 240 hours typing backlight off with a 4000 mAh big battery. That is super dope. Number of keys, 80 for key switches, gator in blue or red or brown switches. Number of multimedia keys, 12. Main body material A, B series apps. Main body material C series, aluminum bezels and ABS bottom frame. Keycap material, ABS playout ANSI. Backlit types, 18 backlit, adjustable for level RGB backlit system, Windows or Android or Mac or iOS battery, 4000 mAh rechargeable polymer battery. BT working time backlit off, up to 240 hours. Lab test result may vary by actual use. BT working time single LED, up to 68 hours. Lab test result may vary by actual use. BT working time RGB, up to 72 hours. Lab test result may vary by actual use. Charging time, around 3 hours. Connection, Bluetooth and Type-C cable. Bluetooth version 5.1. Bluetooth device name Keychron K2 compatible system, MacOS Windows. Dimension plastic frame version 313x1 to 3 in weight, about 663 grams to 3.4 oz. Dimension aluminum frame version 317x1 to 9 weight, about 794 grams 28 ounces. Height with keycap front 30 in height with keycap rear 40 in operating environment -10 to 50. package content 1x keyboard 1x USB-A to US Type-C cable 1x keycap puller 1x user manual firmware here. You can check its gallery at keychron.com. Google Voice, sorry for mispronounced words. Haha. USB Type-C cord. Keycap puller. Extra keycaps. Let's replace a key. By the way, I bought red switch. I want the keys to less force to press. Also, less force to hold down a button. I bought a non-hot swap because the swappable is out of stock. Let's check its RGB. It can connect through Bluetooth, but I will use the cord first.
Wow, super beautiful.
I'll turn off the lights to appreciate it. Boom! It's way so cool. Look at that. I'm so in love. Heart, heart. Let's try different lights. Okay, let's try typing test.
Can you guess my words per minute?
Comment down below. What keyboard do you want me to unbox next? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.